turn off the ignition, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You can now access the cabin filter, which is located on the left of the windscreen frame. Take off the plastic protection flange. For this, you should unscrew the 2 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Open the holding rack by pulling it towards you and then take the cabin filter out. When pulling out the cabin filter, you will find it easier if you twist and fold the filter. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little bit more expensive, they're probably the best option. Put the new filter in place, ensuring that you respect the direction of the airflow. Be sure to put it in the filter compartment in the right position. Close the rack. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, put the plastic flange back in place. Operation completed.